morning and a very good day to you. Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today I would like to share the process of Unifi installation. First of all, we need to know about the Unifi installation guideline. We will cover questions such as what are the safety procedure for optical fiber cable and how to install Unifi overhead cable. The installation activity might be conducted indoor or outdoor of your premises. Outdoor premises activity depends on where your distribution box is located. This distribution box, or DB for short, is the point where the technician will pull the fiber optics from. Next, let's move to the safety gear for overhead work. This video displays the equipment used for overhead work. There are 6 safety procedures when working with optical fiber cable. First, never look directly through the end of fiber cables. Second, always wear safety glasses. Third, wear a helmet. Fourth, wear safety belt. Fifth, clean your work area. And last but not least, do not smoke or eat while working with fiber optics. There are 2 testing tools that are used to test the fiber optic connection. They are called visual fault locator and power meter. The minimum optical power should be less than -33 decibels for each point, which is measured with the power meter. The splicing tools shown here are used for the splicing process. There are 3 steps to install Unifi cable. They are splicing process, fiber wiring installation, and configuration of the router and modem. The procedure of Unifi installation for overhead cable begins with measuring the distance from FTP to customer premise equipment by using the measurement wheel. Next is to pull the drop cable out of the drum according to the estimated length of the cable. Third is to measure the power transmitted at the FTP using power meter. The reading should be below -23 decibel milliwatts. Fourth, to splice end of drop cable with patch cord. After completing the splicing process, insert the patch cord to the port out of the FDP by referring to the port number. Next is to pull the drop cable through the appropriate path to CPE and then measure the power received using power meter. The reading should be equal to negative 18 decibel milliwatts or below. And finally is to configure the modem and router by connecting with the network cable as shown and conduct a speed test. Thank you for spending your time with me in this session, and I really hope that this video is both useful and informative for you. Without further ado, goodbye, and once again, thank you.